everyone, welcome to my treasure the art. If you have just come across this little art space, I'm so happy that you are here. The channel is where I share my creative journey, one piece of art at a time, with lot of color and even more cuteness. To everyone who has already subscribed, I want to say thank you from the bottom of my heart. You have joined me so early on the journey, and that really means a lot. It's only been a little while, but your support, encouragement, and kind messages have given this space so much warmth and purpose. And if you are new here, hi, I would love for you to stick around and be part of the journey. There is so much more to come, and it really is an honor to have you with me. It's been about 50 days since I started this channel, and some of you might be wondering who's the girl behind these videos? So, here I am. My name is Charlotte, and I want to tell you all few things about myself. First thing, which you all are aware, that I'm an artist. I love art, and there are few more things which I would like to share with you all. I love nature, I love plants, I love animals, and I can say I love all God's creation, all of God's creation. And you know what? I really believe that God is the greatest artist, and because He has created me in His image, I also have that artistic nature in me. This channel is my little way of exploring that creative spark which God has placed in me. So I started my art journey with whatever art tools I had, which basically means I stole all my husband's art tools, and you can see all of his art tools are here, and I use this all stuff every day while doing my art. And I'm really grateful to God for my husband, who is my biggest supporter. And I want to show you all his cute photo. So this is my husband's cute photo, and from that you all know that why I love cute things. So with my husband's support and heart full of curiosity and deep love for all things beautiful and cute, I took a leap of faith and started the journey. It's been a short while, but when I look back, I can see great growth, and I want to keep growing as the Lord leads me. Thank you again for subscribing, for supporting, and for being part of something that's still unfolding. And if you have not subscribed yet, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and come along. Let's keep creating, exploring, and learning together. Also, if you are ever interested in buying any of my artworks or commissioning something special, feel free to reach out. I would be so happy to create something just for you. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye.